Love in its infinite form is a powerful force that shapes our lives. Love in its infinite forms is a powerful force that shapes our lives. It brings us joy, connection, and a sense of belonging. God is the embodiment of love itself. So this love is unconditional, it is boundless, and it's ever present. It's not based on our merits and achievements, but simply on our existence as His creatures. Just like the warmth of the sun sustains all living things, God's love sustains us. Now, it's providing us strength, hope, and guidance on life's journey. It's a love that transcends our limitations and imperfections. It is embracing us fully. Feeling this divine love can transform our lives. It can also soften our hearts. It can mend broken relationships. And it also inspires us to act with compassion and kindness. It can also fill us with a deep sense of peace, security, and knowing that we are never truly alone. How can we tap into this love today? Here are a few ways to tap into God's love. 1. Practice gratitude. Reflecting on the blessings in your life, whether big or small, cultivates an attitude of appreciation that opens your heart to love. 2. Connect with others. Show love and kindness to those around you and witness the joy it brings to both you and them. 3. Engage in spiritual practices. Prayer, meditation, or simply spending time in quiet reflection can help you connect with your inner self and divine presence within. Now remember, God's love is always available to you. No matter what you're going through, open your heart to it and let it guide you on your path to love and fulfillment. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. A bientôt!